Guys, my beacon, quick, please kill.
Hey, those two guys were right there. I'm probably just gonna take either A or C on that one, by the way, because it's so fucked in the back. I don't know why. Janky again, last pull.
You got fucked in the back?
Basically. Bro, who did the one pull that was like, yo, I'm fucking owning, I got one stack. This shit was funny.
Major achievement.
On your ship, boys.
Okay. Man, I love this map.
Ouch. Okay. We are sending these to the bookshelves. Shelf this bitch.
Help, Glick, I need spell word help.
Bro, how's he parrying me from behind?
Okay, stop. He's so fucking low. Stop. Stop. No touchy. No touchy! Except for this. Good. Okay, to your positions. Wait. Go! What? Okay, well, we're fucked.
Womp womp.
Play it out.
Watch your feet.
Don't we literally? It's
Hey.
fine. Don't we literally stop DPS on normal?
That's not how that works. CDs
All the
gonna be a little
CDs
bit
are the
weird.
problem.
Or, sorry,
We would have to stop more. Or we'd have to push like right before the hearts
Just
expire.
play it, do what we can, okay?
We just need to push right before hearts expire.
Kill
The third
face.
set.
Oh, guy. Look, his turn is living without him, but yeah.
Equinox, your buff is over it.
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's up right now.
Okay, you might have to buff first during the
Sure.
during P3.
Okay, finish ad. Get ready to get moving. Right by the gate. Going through. Raid through. Don't AoE.
Don't run into the raid crimson.
Crank the ad. Watch the rocks, there's a lot of them. Finish ad.
We got an extra
Or
stack
1
there,
and 2 are
Paul.
going far here, 1 and 2 are going far, watch your health. Watch your health, we got an extra stack. Personal if you need it, 1 and 2 go far. Hellstone if you need it, don't fucking die. Going through. Follow Nelth, we're okay.
Good job, healers.
Okay, crank this egg quick. Ad is out, crank. Get it low.
I need spicy.
Okay, help spicy. Press spicy, quick. Just get him up. Watch your health,
Stop
arm roll.
damage, stop damage, stop damage.
Yep, nah, we can do it. No, get it more.
I mean, the mechanics didn't come out yet.
Stop now, stop now.
Henry needs
I need anything.
Yeah.
Save Henry. I'll be okay. Okay, wait. Kill it now, kill it now, kill it now, kill it now. We're a little bit behind. Kill it now.
Come in.
Good. Okay, pump now, pump now, pump now. Diesel fuel. Watch the rocks. Especially if we're fucking down right now.
Boss is
Let's do it, guys.
very
Right here.
low.
Dude, he's 30%. Holy fuck.
Blue is safe.
I'm taking B, by the way, on set 2. I am taking B on set 2. Now fuck up my B.
I know it's completely fucked, by the way, so.
Hey, Big Bang.
Is that better, Grum?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, big damage. He's so low, guys. I'm
Alright,
losing
I'm
in fucking
taking 4
40%.
here. I'm taking 4 here.
Blue is safe.
Okay, I am taking
Bop will be up
B.
Equinox. Let me do it.
Okay.
My portal's up this time. We're good.
Click.
There is no B. I'm taking 5. No, it's nothing relevant.
It's me, I can click it.
Resin.
Got him already.
Blue is safe.
Boss is so low, by the way, guys. Just keep it up.
Who's getting my bop here?
Oh boy.
Me.
Okay.
Bop me.
You're forward for a second. There you go.
It's okay.
Reposition your Big Bangs. Live this and he dies.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Get tight.
Oh,
No.
promise.
Kill the boss.
Stack up melee for Dark.
Do everything you have here. Everything you have here. We're gonna be okay.
Take these out of the raid.
Away from blue.
Yep. Don't fuck him up. Get it to touch range. He's almost there.
Get the ads. Click. I'll get the boss.
If he's so low, finish him off.
Good job.
Oh, thank God. Good job.
I feel so bad that that's the kill.
Dead.
The
And
one
there's no
that I
warlock
die.
trinket. Ah! Ah!
A sword.